Here we have a 69 plate Mercedes-Benz GLC 300D 4MATIC AMG line Premium Plus. Now this vehicle comes with the 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels. We do also have the gold brake calipers just behind. We have the polar white exterior paintwork, LED headlights, Pan America front grille and the big Mercedes badge in the centre. And there's a look at that front end. Now coming around to the passenger side, you find the black side steps running along the bottom, making it easier to get in and out of the vehicle. We also have colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, got the brush metal trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Now we also have the front and rear parking sensors with 360-degree cameras and a visual display inside. If we take a look inside of the boot now, so just open it up like so. Power operated, as you can see. Also opens with a press of a button from the remote. You can see we have plenty of space inside of here. Of course, we've got the parcel shelf at the top. We do also have the storage net on the left hand side, along with hooks on either side. Coming back out, we have a handle on the right along with a button. Press the button and again it will close just like so. Back round to the driver's side though, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look at the interior, inside of the back first, you find the full black leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. We also have the vents in the centre for the rear passengers, wooden effect trim on the doors with the leather and also the BENZ sound system and electric windows. We do also have the glass sunroof that's currently on a tilt. It can also slide all the way open, and there's a look as well from the inside. Again, the same leather seats for the front, with both the front seats being heated. They're also electrically adjustable with the memory functions. Again, premium BENZ sound system, electric mirrors, electric windows with child lock for the rear. Automatic lights just down here. We have the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking the seat inside, you'll find the digital dashboard in front of us. If you put our foot on the brake and press the start button, the vehicle will start up for us. As you can see, we are free from any warning lights on the digital dashboard. We can change the view by using this side of the steering wheel. So we have the digital speedometer. We can also change from the trip computer. We have the navigation, all these other features as well, which we can scroll through, along with changing the design. If we go to sport, you see it changes the design just like so. We also have the adaptive cruise control here on the right hand side with the speedometer, volume buttons here on the left, and of course the paddle shifters either side. We then have the main infotainment screen in the centre, plenty of features on here you would have seen on the photos. If we go through some of them though, we do have the sat-nav navigation. We have the other features down here. Click onto radio, you find the radio stations. We have the media options, Bluetooth phone connectivity for phone calls. Going on to the main menu, we can then scroll through the other features just like so. You find the ambient lighting just here, many colours to go through, looks really nice at night time. Again, further across you find the apps where you find all these different features just here. If you go into a smartphone though, you find the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We've got the vents down here, wooden effect trim again in the centre with the dual zone climate control, as called air conditioning. We also have the cup holders inside of here, wireless phone charging and a Type-C USB port. Got the touchpad for the screen along with the selectors for the different drive modes. So you can see we go from Eco, also change to the sound. As you can see it's quiet, go to Comfort and then Sport, Sport Plus and also the individual drive mode. You can see it changes the sound as it has speakers set for them drive modes. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website or get in contact. Thank you for watching.